We all have that beef stew that bangs, and it can go with every and anything: yam, potatoes, pasta, rice, whatever. I'm here to teach you that beef recipe. Very easy. You need very little. You need very little to accomplish this dish. So yeah, if you follow these easy steps, you're going to learn how to make this delicious and scrumptious and tasty beef stew. Let's get right into the video. I don't want to talk too much. Hi, my name is Manuel Wisdom and welcome back to my channel. After we prep our ingredients, in a pot I added my beef, some onion, some spices, the curry, thyme, and then I added my beef seasoning. I seasoned some salt and then I added some seasoning cube. Added some dry pepper and then some water. We want this beef to be cooked tender and soft. So we're going to let this cook for 10 to 12 minutes. And then we open it up to stir in between just to make sure that everything is getting in that juice. We cover this up, and once it's done cooking, we take it out of the fire. And now it's time to prep our stew. In the pot, we added some vegetable oil, some onions, saute this onion for about 2 minutes or 3, and then you add your pepper mix that we blended earlier. Please keep your beef and the beef stock. Do not throw it away. We're going to use it later on in this recipe. We let that cook for 10 minutes. You want this to cook properly. The secret of this recipe is that your tomato or your tomato mix must fry properly. Now we added our tomato paste and we cooked this all up. Let it cook for like 10 to 7 minutes. Then you will see the coloration. Once this changes color, I stir this again. I added my bouillon powder and some spices. And then I added some salt and then I stirred this all to combine. I put in my beef and the stock. I am not using water for this. I just put in the beef and the stock and I stir this all together. See how beautiful and tasty that looks. I let this cook for 5 minutes and my stew is ready. You can serve this with some rice or some yams. I personally paired mine with some rice. Drop a comment below if you enjoyed this recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That's the end of our video. This is how to make this tasty, delicious beef stew, and I have mine paired with some rice. Let's do a taste test. I'm not even trying to cap you. This tastes good. Try it out. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.